Okay, we're going to go inside. The living room, dining room, kitchen. Can you turn the light on in the kitchen? Oh, okay. You see the cabinetry, dishwasher, stove, refrigerator stays.
We don't know yet. Does
Okay.
it have to? No. Okay. Probably not. No, I'm not sure.
This is the dining room here. A lot of clients, they have their own refrigerator anyhow.
Okay.
So, then we go into family room. This is the family room. Lights, please. There's a fan up there. You have them turned off. This video camera you need, yeah, it's not on. You need,
Light.
yeah. Thank you. There's the room we just came out of when we came through the door. Front door. This is the laundry room. And storage area, which you could change into a dining room or another room. Still needs some work. There's washer and dryer. This room has a fan to it and ceiling light. And we come back out here to the kitchen. Go through the kitchen, dining room, hallway. Thank you. Baby's bedroom. Up here.
Bar one.
Baby's bedroom. New carpeting in baby's room. Over to the bathroom. This is the main bathroom. Shower. And tub. Then over to spare bedroom. Nice carpeting. And over to the master bedroom. It's a fan in this room. There's fans in all the rooms.
Mm-hmm.
And then over to a half a bath off the master bedrooms. Then we're going to go down to the basement. chicken.
What about chicken?
I didn't think you're coming down with me.
I can't. I have jams.
Yeah. This is a full basement with concrete flooring. You can see it. Go back up. We'll go outside to the backyard. Nice fenced-in backyard. The shed. Right. Completely fenced in. Open that gate. And then we're going into the pool area. This is the swimming pool. 19,000 gallons. What's the deepest part?
6 feet.
6 feet, and this is the deep part, and this would be the lower end to help. The line is 1 year old. The lowest part, 3 feet. Lowest part, 3 feet. You just had that pump put in not too long ago. Brand new pump. Now let's go outside, out around.
Fine.
And go out this way. This home sits on a corner lot. What were you doing here?
We're just putting mulch on it.
Yeah.
There's really hideous stuff
So you can see it sits on a corner lot, ranch home, bay window, 3 bedrooms, and this home sits on a cul-de-sac, which is very nice for a family. There's not too many homes down there. The end of the cul-de-sac.
Two. One on each side.
Need any more information about this house, call Carol Wynn at 991-6729. Thank you.